So in this question, we're just going to look at calculating the percentage of oxygen in this compound here. Right, and below it's gone and it's given us the formula masses or the atomic masses of those different elements. Right, so remember that the equation that we need to use is the percentage mass is equal to the mass of the compound or the element in the compound divided by the total mass of the compound. So the first thing that we really need to do is work out the mass of the element we're looking for. So we know we're looking for oxygen. We've got 3 of them, so we're going to do 3 times that 16 to give us a mass of 48. We then need to work out the total mass of the compound. So we're going to do 3 lots of oxygen plus 1 lot of chlorine plus 1 lot of silver to give us a total mass of 191.5. And finally, to calculate the percentage mass, we're going to do the mass of the oxygen, which we've worked out here is 48, and we're dividing that by the total mass of the compound, which is 191.5. Then we times that by 100 because we turn it into a percentage, which will give us an answer of 25%. Right, so they're the steps that you need to go and follow if you're calculating percentage by mass.